But you did give away one when you crashed it, right?
Yeah, let me tell you that story. I wish I had some time. I was married at the time to Robin Givens, and we were in some fast food joint. We were ordering food, and she went in my pocket, I guess, to get some money out of my pocket to pay for it, and she had some condoms came out, and she was mad, so she got in the car, and then boom, she crashed the car into another car that was just parked there, boom, and she hit somebody, and she hurt their arm, and then the cops came, and so the cops came, and the cops were saying, hey, what happened here, right? And I was afraid that they were going to arrest me or arrest